Mula sa pagiging isang binatang nangarap sa edad na 16 hanggang sa pagiging isa sa pinakakilalang boses sa bansa, makikilala natin ang taong nasa likod ng titulong Voice Master of the Philippines. Si Pocholo de Leon Gonzalez, isang kilalang voice actor, dubbing director, motivational speaker at entrepreneur. Paano nga ba niya napasok at nabago ang mundo ng voice acting sa Pilipinas? At paano niya nagawang nahubog ang libo-libong bagong henerasyon ng mga voice artist? Panoorin natin ang pasilip sa episode ito ng The Game Changer.
Welcome back to The Game Changer, where we profile the visionaries and trailblazers who are reshaping the Filipino landscape. Today, we are joined by a man who has literally given a voice to the voiceless. He is an internationally awarded youth advocate, a veteran broadcaster, and the most recognized voiced artist in the country.
So sir, let's go to the process of training them. How do you mean by training them? What does training them mean?
Okay, as you know, for the past how many years, since voice acting started in the country, there's no school for voice acting. So when I started with radio station, DZMM, when I was 16, so I joined a voice acting competition. Out of 10,000 who auditioned, I'm the one who became the champion. And I started very young when I was still a student in the University of the Philippines, Diliman. So imagine, at age 16, I'm the youngest, and most of the people in the industry are like been there for how many years already. So iba yung dating nun eh. But those times, I know I'm good. I know I can not just compete with them, and parang kaya ko silang sabayan. So, but the problem is there's no opportunity for us newbies.
So kumusta sir yung kalagayan nung voice industry nung panahon?
Anong panahon na yon, it's thriving actually, because wala pa namang internet nun eh. Walang other means of entertainment maliban sa radio, TV, and movie. So that was in 1996. So when I started, I know, sabi ko, I can do it, but I don't have an opportunity. Kasi parang the oldies don't want me to be in. Even, I know, kasi I had this experience na I was given a small part sa isang anime. Tapos sinabihan ba na ako, hindi ako magaling at wag na lang akong mag-dubbing. So, imagine a young boy at age 16, sabihan mo ng gano'n. At ikaw veterano na dapat tinuruan mo yung bata.
Alamin ang kanyang kwento ng tagumpay, inspirasyon at mga aral sa buhay sa buong panayam ng The Game Changer mamaya. Alas 8 ng gabi bago ang inaabangang PCSO Lottery Jackpot Bearing Games.